Good morning. What you doing?
Trying to lose weight.
Trying to lose weight. We're taking out these 2 weight bars because these are the only 2 weight bars that we haven't taken off from trying to get the car up to weight for the U.S. Street Nationals. Nothing better than some bacon at the racetrack with some coffee.
For like the 5th day in a row.
Coffee, bacon.
At the racetrack. He's like, what?
Are you done with that plate?
I'm
out of here.
I was like, fuck. I can't
Bear's
even
like,
have
wait
the
a minute, this
seat.
is my golf cart.
I can't even have the seat. Come on, Bear. Get up there.
They're just like, I'll get up there.
Taking over your golf court.
Bear's like, please. I'm shy.
There's literally no more room for Bear on that seat. He's like, but this is my seat. nitrous went amazing. Papa J, you got some words? Come on.
Try not to cry.
I know! We are so hyped. We gotta go get him. Okay, be right back.
Do you know what you win?
Do you know what you... Yeah! Woohoo! What'd you run?
454. Look at that.
Go on the two-step. It didn't sound like it went on the two-step. Sounded like you just fucking matted that bitch and left.
I felt like I was on the two-step. I don't know. It was a 107 60 foot, so I don't...
Dude.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah!
I seen the board, I'm like, no fucking way.
All right, time to go celebrate. We're gonna dial a what tomorrow?
I'd say between a 50 and a 52. You need a cold water, brother? It's not real cold, but you're welcome to it.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem, brother.
Have a good day.
How was that?
Yeah.
That is. First hit on the nitrous. Almost made me cry.
Yeah, that was the first time on the nitrous. I seen the 454 on the board as I was coasting. I'm like, fuck yeah.
That should have us solidly in the field.
Oh yeah.
Well, I don't think there's 32 cars. That's why it's an all-run field.
Yeah.
But I still would like to be qualified, not at the end of the pack, somewhere up or
Somewhere where we
middle
don't
pack.
get bumped down.
Yeah, yeah.
What are you at now?
I don't know. We'll have to wait for a little bit to see
The rest of the people
qualifying
run.
sheet. I'll send it to you.
Yeah, well, good 450. Finally got down.
Woo!
Why are you using nitrous at the end of the track?
I was using it the entire way.
We turned that bitch on the whole way. It was a little hit.
See, the nitrous.
Okay, new personal
All right,
record.
yeah, 454. We turned on the nitrous and it worked. It worked. I don't know.
It did what it does.
It did what it does. But yeah,
We're gonna do the same thing
honestly,
tomorrow.
I'm without speech because I'm so excited. Like, I want to tell you guys like way more, but inside, like, I'm just screaming because
Screaming.
we've been struggling all weekend, and it is nice to be able to get a little bit of success.
I know. If only we could go one more time today, man.
Yeah, we got cut. Unfortunately, we were supposed to get.
We got cut before we even went.
Yeah, we only get to run one time today, which was just that run. We were supposed to get two, but
World Series of
Pro Mod. It's not World Series of Top Sportsman, I guess.
I
But
guess.
either way, I'm excited.
Tomorrow we're gonna go out and do the same thing.
I let go of the trend brake. I'm like, motor! If anybody,
We're just
any
gonna-
Fast and Furious references.
Oh Jesus. We'll hit it a little bit harder tomorrow and
Yeah. It
fucking mad it.
yeah. So, and we are just gonna go into eliminations. It sounds like tomorrow, and
Have a good time.
We'll figure out our dial in. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking like a 450 something because it went a 454 at 152. I think we showed you guys the ET slip. If not, I'll list it right here. I was late on the tree. It is what it is. But I'm just happy I went a 454.
Right?
I was like way late. I was making a sandwich, a bologna sandwich, baking a cake. You know, all the things.
He was really focused on that
I was really
transmission.
doing some culinary things in there. I was,
Cooking with both feet.
I had the whisk out, you know.
When your nitrous tune-up is perfect, that son of a bitch will look just like it came out of the box. It'll be white as can be. Just right here. See that color change right there?
Yep.
That's your timing line.
Okay.
You can go
Right-
all the way
right
to
here?
here. Yeah, about right there where your fingernail was. So you can go all the way down here. You don't want it down here in the threads. You want
Okay.
it on the strap. So 8 degrees is perfect for that tune-up.